Are you tired of feeling trapped in cycles of fear, oppression, and spiritual warfare? Do you long for freedom from the grip of the spirit of Python and Leviathan that has hindered your progress and prosperity? With world-renowned healing evangelist Dr. Francis Myles,
Leviathan can only be destroyed by the sword of the Lord. The reason is this. The reason is the fallen nature of man has too much pride in it. To fight Leviathan, what is still your king, is to open yourself to a lot of attacks. You guys what I'm saying? So what do you do with Leviathan? You surrender him to God.
and globally acclaimed healing evangelist Katie Souza.
Did you ever believe that you could take a snake to court? You've been given exousia authority. That's the power of judicial decisions, meaning you've been given the right to go up and adjudicate in the court. Not just go up and open a claim and have your claim be heard. And hopefully, well, because of Jesus, you're going to get a great return. You're going to get a great decree from the court. You're going to win your court case. No, you're going to go up as a judge in the court. Ascension, you're going to live in the ascended life, living in the court, judging, releasing your exousia authority, your power of judicial decisions against these serpents who are trying to harm you.
Join us via Zoom on December 16th, 2023. Gain a deep understanding of the strategies these spirits employ to keep you bound. Unlock your full potential and experience a breakthrough like never before. Register now by visiting www.idolsriot.com.